Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can do selfie sync on your phone. So it's a very latest trending features that is going viral on internet. So here you can see this is the application. So just you need to click a picture, or you can select from the gallery and click on the vamp, and you can select the songs and just click on the screen option. Now you have to wait until it gets transmitted into your selfie. Your selfie will be singing automatically with this application. So here, let me just resolve this. So you have to wait this until it gets fully loaded. So before that, please do hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. And if you want to support to this channel, please hit that bell icon and also subscribe to it. So you can see here it's almost done, and then you can see here, guys,
#1 victory royale. Yeah,
selfie is moving. So in this way you can see this
on the board right
like
now.
a moving
Just went
selfie.
out tomato
So to get this
My friend just
features, to get this application, what you need to do, you have to go to your App Store or Google Play Store. You have to go to Google Play Store or App Store, and then here you have to search for WAMBO. Sorry, it's not like that. It's not like the WOMBO. Okay, so you have to search this on your Play Store, and then here you can see the second one. This is the one you have to download, this application, exactly this application. Just open it, and then you can click a picture, a selfie here, or you can just go to gallery. You can see here on the bottom, you can see here bottom there will be an option for gallery. So simply tap here, select the photo, and then you can use it. If you like the video, thanks.